Hi everybody, it's me, your future friend Myra. Today I'm back with a list of 5 more jobs for you to consider as you move into the AI-driven world. If you missed the first part of this video, I highly suggest you to watch that. And if you have already watched it, then proceed right ahead. Here are 5 more AI-resistant jobs to build your career. Number 1, systems engineer. Systems engineer are responsible for the overall technical management and integration of a system or product throughout its life cycle. AI can assist in certain parts of the systems engineering, such as optimizing system performance and predicting system behavior. Human intervention is still necessary to understand the complex interactions between system components and to make subjective judgments about system trade-off. Number 2, risk manager. Risk managers are responsible for identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks associated with the system or project. AI can assist in certain parts of risk management, such as analyzing data and identifying potential risks. Human intervention is still necessary to make subjective judgments about the likelihood and impact of risks and to design and implement risk mitigation strategies. Number 3, systems architect. Systems architects are responsible for designing the overall structure of a system or product, including its components, interfaces, and interactions. AI can assist in certain aspects of system design, such as generating design alternatives and analyzing design trade-offs. Human intervention is still necessary to understand the requirements and constraints of stakeholders and make subjective judgments about the system's architecture. Then we have integration and test engineers. Integration and test engineers are responsible for verifying that a system or product meets its intended functionality, performance, and quality requirements. AI can assist in certain aspects of testing, such as automating repetitive tests and generating test data. Human intervention is still necessary to design test scenarios, interpret test results, and identify and resolve issues. According to a report by Capgemini, human testers are still essential in ensuring the quality and reliability of software, as they are able to identify issues that automated tools cannot, such as unexpected interactions between components or user experience issues. And lastly, requirements engineer. Requirements engineers are responsible for eliciting, analyzing, specifying, validating, and managing the needs and constraints of stakeholders for a system. While AI can assist in certain aspects of requirements engineering, such as analyzing large sets of data and identifying patterns, human intervention is still necessary to understand the context and reasoning behind the requirement. Requirements engineering is a critical and complex task that requires human expertise to ensure that a system meets the needs of its users. Interesting, right? These were 5 more jobs for you to consider right now to build an AI-proof career. Maybe I will visit you in the near future to give you heads up about more insightful developments. Till then, stay savvy, stay healthy, and subscribe to Leverage Edu. Thank you for watching.